Hey guys, welcome back to another Master Design adventure. Tonight we're gonna draw Lucky from Sonic X. Lucky is one of the season 1 finale machines created by Dr. Robotnik. Lucky's special power is actually luck. And I can understand why Robotnik decided to build this machine. He didn't even need his robot cards in order to summon this guy. He just wanted to find the Chaos Emeralds and assume his quest of universal domination.
To keep the music going, would you like to turn on autoplay?
I'll pass. This guy has a lot of lucky attributes, including stuff that involves luck. Alexa, what are a few things that involve luck?
From healthtalk.org. Involve is an NHS National Institute for Health Research advisory group that supports public involvement in health and social care research.
Alexa, name a few things that bring good luck.
From AbundanceAnoLimits.com. Burning sage, hanging a dream catcher, placing crystals, using salt lamps, placement of mirrors, barn stars, vulture heads, and a statue of Saint Joseph are all believed to bring luck for everyone at home.
Tell me about it. Also, well, a few things involving Lucky's magic. It involves, well, a 4-leaf clover, a horseshoe, his body is the shape of a bell, dove's wings, and rabbit's feet. In no relation to Eleanor's rabbit feet. That'd be something, right? Alexa, play Sonic Colors Ultimate.
Sonic Colors, Ultimate Original Soundtrack Recolors by VA on Amazon Music.
You wanna know something? This guy has, well, I got lucky news. Sonic the Hedgehog is debuting another TV series. Awesome, right? That's considered lucky. By the way, after Lucky may have won a fighting ability, fighting sparring match a few years back. Well, he may have won 2 matches, but he sort of ran out of power. I'm sure we'll see Lucky again. To be honest, Sonic the Hedgehog, he's running low on ideas like characters and robots. It has select few. By the way, it would have been lucky if Emil joined the Metarex arc. He would have been a big help. And finish. There he is, my bud. That's how you draw Lucky from Ben. That's how you draw Lucky from Sonic X. To draw more Sonic the Hedgehog fighters, be sure to come to my channel, and I'll draw them up as soon as possible. Just let me place a reminder on which one you want me to draw next. Good night.